Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. This looks like a bouncy wicket. The white ball will come nicely onto the bat. You might see the odd one fetching some extra bounce. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. That's high in the air. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. That's gone high. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Overthrows. They really need to stop leaking those extra runs. Oh, that's edged and four. Not much that you can do about that one. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. That was a stunning shot. Lovely bowling and a good leave too. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Played into the gap, should be able to run 2 here. That's an excellent throw. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Shot, that's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Good shot for a single. These misfields can hurt the fielding team's confidence big time. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Turned away for a single. Wow, that was a really wide throw. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Very good running between the wickets. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Good shot for a single. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Turned away for a single. He didn't get any timing on that one. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here.